Hey everyone, in this video I will show you step by step how to uninstall Reaper from your Windows computer. It is super easy to do. First, make sure that Reaper is closed and not running in your taskbar. Next, go down to the start menu and type uninstall apps or add or remove programs. Click on it and you will see a list of all installed applications. Now use the search bar at the top and type in Reaper. Once it shows up, click the three dots on the right side, then choose uninstall. A pop-up will appear. Click uninstall again and click yes. The uninstaller will open. From here, just click uninstall to confirm. Wait a few seconds and open when it's done. You will see the message that Reaper has been successfully removed. To double check, you will notice that Reaper no longer appears in your installed apps list on your desktop or in your start menu. If you want to go to the extra step, you can also open the file location where Reaper was installed and manually delete any leftover files. And that's it. You have successfully uninstalled Reaper from your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.